Welcome to EBSCO's Reading eBooks tutorial. In this tutorial, we will look at how to read EBSCO eBooks in the online viewer. From the result list, you have several options. Depending on availability, you can read the ebook full text in PDF or EPUB format, or download the ebook to read offline at a later time, view the table of contents for a selected ebook, or view the pages of an ebook most relevant to your search terms. When you click a PDF or EPUB full-text link on the result list, the book opens in the ebook viewer. At the top of the left-hand column, there are several tools available to you. The table of contents for your ebook is accessible under Contents. The Publisher Permissions indicator displays the number of pages that can be printed or saved, whether copy-paste functionality is allowed, and whether the ebook can be downloaded to read offline. When printing and saving is allowed, the number of available pages is updated as you print or save ebook pages to your computer. The ebook availability indicator displays the number of copies currently available from your institution. Click the download icon to download a chapter of the ebook title you are viewing. Click Search Within to search for specific terms within the full text of the ebook. Enter in the search box and click the magnifying glass icon. Your keyword matches are displayed below the search box. Click on a hyperlinked keyword match in the column on the left to go directly to the page on which your keyword appears. Every instance of your keyword matches is highlighted on the pages of the ebook. Click My Notes to create a note about the text that can be saved to your personal My EBSCO host folder. Look up words in the dictionary by clicking Dictionary in the Tools menu above the ebook text. Click the Download button to download the ebook to your computer. Click Print Pages to print pages from an EBSCO ebook. Make your selections and click Print PDF. Your browser's printing function opens, enabling you to send the pages to your printer. Depending on publisher-specified limits, up to 100 pages of an EBSCO ebook can be printed as a PDF file per user from within the ebook viewer. Using the tools at the bottom of the viewer, you can adjust how the ebook displays, such as zooming in and out of the page. You can also go directly to a specific page using the left and right arrows, or by entering a page number and pressing the Enter key. When reading an EPUB format ebook, the tools at the bottom of the viewer allow you to fit the page to the viewport and zoom in and out of the page. You can also go directly to the beginning of a chapter or section using the left and right arrows. At any time, click the Help link to view the complete online help system.